Have you got to be gassing it while you turn? That shit.
That's not shit though. The way that turned, you see.
Maybe. It does. Fuck you too, bro.
I think the torch is slowing me down.
I can actually see it better in my camera than I can if I look up.
Yeah. Sounds like a diet.
That could be why it's so slow.
Oh, it died.
That was that LiPo.
I imagine it's that right now. So it's something's gone wrong.
We got the turning about right now.
I know why your water, your
So guys, this is the boat, the little black one that you just see in the video. I got this a while ago. Didn't actually think it worked at the beginning. And then I found out that it was all or nothing on the steering. And I understood why I didn't steer. So it's all analog to begin with. I said to begin with. Okay, this was the electronics for it. It crashed. I tapped into a wall a couple of times and it stopped working and then hit full power and decided to try and run away from me. So yeah, a couple of days later I had the boat off, no controller on. I plugged a battery into it and it tried to run away still. So yeah, it run on these NEMA's 1800 milliamps, 7.2 volt. They're pants and rather heavy. So this is a 7.4 volt 2600 milliamp LiPo. LiPos put out more. They run better. This was going better with that in it than that. So 0.2 of a volt, 5 days of hard bashing in the water, it killed it, I guess. The tap on the wall was the final blow. So we rip that out. We get rid of that. We definitely get rid of that. So we got an old controller that was lying around. Love it. We're now on that. And as we open up the boat, we have 2 new speed controllers. They are brush systems because there was 2 brushed motors in originally. We have kept them, and we have just got 2 new speed controllers. This was in my friend's Toro. It's got different functions. It's actually got a boat mode, so I ordered a second one and put it in. It now runs 2 of these, 1 per speed controller. Yeah, next videos are of this thing out on the water after it got rebuilt. I got pictures of the rudder. The rudder was different, but it was too small, did not work, so we've built a new one. I'll put the pictures up, and I'll show you the videos. So that thing died and had a rebuild. Troy's yellow boat died. It broke the prop shaft. No, it broke the propeller in half. Half of the blade is missing. He actually carried on ripping with half a blade, and that boat still flies. His motor was power cutting. We had to rip all of the speed control and the motor out. It was dead. And he has put in a Screamflux 6S system. Currently only run on 3S because we're too scared to hit full power. But on 3S, he finally shattered the rest of his prop at the end of the videos. So there is a picture of that. I will put that in. But yeah, enjoy the videos, guys. Sketchy. I did turn it on already. Controller's on. Right. Finn's been fucking around in the bath, so the water's not exactly still. But stop going forward already. Come on, water, calm your tits. This is Lee. Right, ready? Yep, that fucker pushes itself down the bath from the rudder. And then if you go... Oh shit, I'm not even looking. There we go. She will turn around on the rudder. I'm literally just all rudder at the minute, no throttle. But, Finn, hold that. Ready? Right. Okay, that wasn't actually me, but hey. Why is that one fucking around? Okay, something was going a bit haywire then. Stand there and film that. Yeah, this thing's gonna be a bit savage, and she steers, and actually has like a fully working reverse. It's a bit weird, it's a bit noisy in the path, but it's all good. That's only 50% full trigger. I just went flip.
What?
I'll be able to show you on video in a bit. I'm not trying that again. He basically just almost jumped out the water. So much better handling now, it's got the new rudder. The light kit rules. Didn't bring the 3S with me tonight, so this is only 2S, but 2S, so kind of like 4. Turning circles mint. Top end's not so great, but we'll get there. Bring line in a minute. Well, let's get you off the stand, guys, because we've got a better boat in the water. Troy's is back. It's all working. He's got the new Screen Flux can in there. It hasn't got the power up at the minute. Still goes a shit ton faster than mine already. Full throttle at 50%. There's a bigger 6S capable can and ESC, but the power is only 2S, so it's only going to be pony at the minute. This is like 50%, but this goes quicker than mine, so I'm looking forward to putting 3S in my boat. I didn't bring it with me tonight. What's in it? Oh, it's on 3S at the minute. Yeah, that thing rules. We are back after a little outing. The black boat, it and its light kit works quite well. One of my motors is slightly more powered than the other one at the moment, but we will try and figure that one out. My rudder is too long and probably hampering a bit of speed, so we will cut that down slightly, but I'm going to do that out on the water. Just slowly trim it, file it off and make it all good. This, like I said before, the yellow one is probably, but it's half my length again, basically. Much bigger, but Screen Flux can. She is mammoth, comes all the way up to the wall. So yeah, she's mammoth in there, all 6S. It's a shame the battery pack is actually the pieces in there, because you can see some of the hot glue that is sitting under here. There's, yeah, drive shaft was coming loose, but this is the carnage of the propeller. So we stopped running because he was still moving. It was actually still moving like this. Obviously it's meant to curve all the way to the very end, and that's all that's left. This side blew out the other day, or a couple of days back, and then this side blew out basically last night. So yeah, joyful people, new propeller, and this one should be back in it. A little bit of grease on this joint, I reckon, but yeah, a little clean up, new prop on there, and we'll be out repping. And this time the black one is getting put on 3S, because I only done 2 last time. So until next time, guys, like, subscribe and share, and we'll be right with you soon.